Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the 2 off 10 back to school DG store coupon. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, here's your quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of videos for you all this week. I believe this is video number 8. So if you have missed out on anything, make sure that you go back and check them all out. We've got new coupons, a glitch list, we've got run glitch deals still going on, hidden glitches, I mean, you name it. There's a ton of deals going on at Dollar General right now, including a 3-day sale which started today, and we even have new glitches going on with that sale. So make sure that you go and check out those videos. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, like I said, in this video, we are going to be talking about the 2 off 10 back to school DG store coupon. Now, keep in mind that this coupon does not expire until July the 22nd. So next week, it is possible that we will have new deals and new glitches to go right along with this coupon. However, there's already a ton of things going on with this DG store coupon that we have to talk about. So let's go ahead and get into it. First up, I do want to go ahead and mention that we do have several buy one, get one free sales that are going on this week at Dollar General. So we have framed art that excludes the dot items, buy one, get one for free. We also have the lawn and garden items, so lawn decor, planters, solar, and lighting items are going to be buy one, get one free. We also have the swim and summer toys, so look for the pink square on the price tag, buy one, get one for free. And then, last but not least, we have the green dot home items, buy one, get one for free. Now, the reason why I wanted to bring up these specific sales is because the 2 off 10 DG store coupon is attaching to a lot of the dot items. So this 2 off 10 does work on some green dot items. So I went into the store, I scanned my heart out for probably 2 hours trying to find items that were included in the sale and also attached with this 2 off 10 DG store coupon. Unfortunately, it seems like the items that are attaching to the 2 off 10 are not scanning and showing up with that sale. So I want you guys to be careful with those buy one, get one free sales. Make sure that you scan it before you go up to the register. And if the sale doesn't show up underneath the item that is supposed to be included in the sale, you will have to bring that to the cashier's attention, and hopefully they will manually adjust it down at the register for you. But I did scan green dot, I scanned lawn and garden, swim and summer, and a lot of those items are not ringing up correctly at the register. So what I ended up doing was I picked up 2 of the green dot storage bins. They're small storage bins, little organizers. They're $5 each. And I will post a picture of those on the community tab once I get this video uploaded for you all. But $5 each. They were attaching to the 2 off 10 DG store coupon. However, they were not ringing up correctly at the register. Buy one, get one for free. So that wasn't doubling up for me. However, they did adjust that down. So y'all keep that in mind. It might be an option for you if your cashiers are cool at your store. And you can always pull up the weekly ad in your Dollar General app and show them that this is a week-long sale. Now, we're not done there, because this 2 off 10 DG store coupon is glitching and working on a lot of products. So here are just a few that I wanted to go ahead and mention to you all. I'm sure there are more out there that I am missing, but here's the gist of it. So it's working on some of the green dot home items. It is also working on some of the red dot items, as well as some of the purple dot items. All right, now moving right along, we also have party supplies attaching and working with this 2 off 10 DG store coupon. And a lot of this is on clearance right now, so y'all keep that in mind. And also, remember, I'm not showing you guys every item that is attaching to this 2 off 10 because there are just too many. I'm just trying to give you guys an idea and some of the categories that you might want to look into. So up next, we have some kitchen items are working with this 2 off 10 DG store coupon, including appliances. Now, here's a good one. With this 3-day sale, we have the Mr. Clean Spin Mops. These are on sale for $20. So after that 2 off 10, that's going to leave you paying $18. So a total of $8 in savings right there. And we also have sponges and wipes. So if you need to stock up on some cleaning supplies, definitely take advantage of this deal. All right, next up, we also have some storage items working with this 2 off 10 DG store coupon. So we've got some Space Maker bags, some different sizes of totes and organizers. So you guys keep that in mind as well. Now we also have packing supplies working with the 2 off 10. So things like tape. You know, we never get deals on tape, packing tape, mailers, things like that. And then it is also working on light bulbs. So a lot of different categories that this 2 off 10 DG store coupon is working on that I would not consider back to school. So we're definitely calling this a glitch. Now, of course, this coupon is also working on back to school supplies. So if you need some back to school supplies, here are a few deals going on at Dollar General this week. We have some of the Imagine products on sale for 50 cents each. We have the Office Hub 3-subject notebooks on sale for $1. Also, we have the Imagine mechanical pencils and the Westcott scissors for $1. We have the Office Hub 5-subject notebooks and the Crayola markers for $1.50. We have the Bic Crystal pens for $1.50. We also have some of the composition books and the filler papers for $1. We have the Sharpie and Bic products for $2.50. Some more Sharpie pens on sale for $2.50 this week. And then we also have some of the back to school yellow dot items on sale, buy one, get one half off. And I also wanted to point out one more thing. This 2 off 10 is also working on the Bendon flashcards. All right, moving right along. Here we have some more glitches. This 2 off 10 DG store coupon is glitching and working on a lot of the Swiffer products. Now we do have several Swiffer manufacturer coupons that you guys can stack with the DG store coupon and get an even bigger savings. Unfortunately, the Swiffer Duster Starter Kit is no longer working with that 4 off 1 digital coupon. So that glitch has stopped working. But we still have some really good deals and some big savings on these Swiffer products. All right, now jumping back into our back to school supplies, we also have several cash back offers that you might want to include in with a 2 off 10 deal. So I'm just going to let these scroll across your screen here so that you guys can check out the products with the cash back offer matchup. Your final price is right down there in the bottom of the screen. And keep in mind that a lot of these cash back offers do have a limit of 5. So if you wanted to pick up 5 of one item, you could definitely do that, and you're going to get that cash back times 5. Now, I've also put together a quick little 2 off 10 back to school deal for you all. So if you want to pick up some back to school supplies, here's a quick little deal that you can do. Pick up one of the Papermate 12 count pencils at $3, one Bic Whiteout at $1, one of the Expo markers 2 count for $3, one Sharpie marker 1 count for $1, one of the Imagine brand pencil erasers for 50 cents, one of the Imagine brand pencil sharpeners for 50 cents, and one of the Office Hub 3 subject notebooks for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $10. Then you're going to use your 2 off 10 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $8 out of pocket. But then, because we have all those DG cashback offers, you're going to get back $1.25 for the Papermate offer, 50 cents back on the second Papermate offer, 50 cents for the Expos, and 50 cents on the Sharpie products. So that is going to make your final price $5.25 for all 7 items, making each one just 75 cents each. And I think that's a pretty good deal considering we are getting a wide variety of products. Now, if you want to make this deal even better, you can add in that Caesar glitch with that 5 off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to put your subtotal at $12. You're going to pay $5 after the coupons are applied. You're going to get back a total of $2.75, and that's going to make your final price $2.25 for all 8 items, making each one just 28 cents each. All right, now before you all go, I have one more thing to share with you all. First up, I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to DWB, Deborah Williams Bus. She was a huge help for me this week. She actually found a lot of the glitches that are going on with the 2 off 10 back to school coupon. So huge shout out and thank you to her. And she actually just sent me a text message saying that she found one more item, and this 2 off 10 DG store coupon are actually working on the little poppets that Dollar General carries for the 4th of July. So if you guys have those at your store, you might want to check that out as well. So there's one last glitch for you all today, but make sure that y'all stick around and stay tuned because I've got the 5 off $25 scenario video coming up next. So before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Turn on your notifications, make sure you're subscribed, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.